Animal health is important to keep a safe and abundant food supply. Antibiotics are one of those tools that is important to keep animals healthy. Healthy animals means healthful and nutritious food. So it is important to our food supply that we keep animals healthy, and this is one of the ways that producers and veterinarians have done this, by this strategic use of antibiotics in preventing, controlling, and treating animal disease. Animal health companies are committed to aligning their product labels with the FDA policy. They have sent letters to FDA stating their intentions to engage in changing their labels of all these medically important antibiotics. In the future, these products will now be used only in cases of a specific disease challenge under the supervision of a veterinarian. Antibiotics have been used for a number of years, and most ranchers and producers do employ and use and consult veterinarians in their operations to keep their animals healthy. So they've always had veterinarians in trying to maintain the health of their animals. And in the course of that practice, obviously veterinarians do make those decisions about when antibiotics should and shouldn't be used. So this is just kind of essentially documenting what probably has been going on in the industry for many years. There has been criticism, obviously, from public health advocacy groups in the past on antibiotic use in animals. They have asked for FDA to do exactly what they're doing today. So we are aligning with those groups in carrying out the policy that FDA is proposing. And this aligns very closely with those public health advocacy groups and what they requested. We know there's a lot of confusion out there with the way antibiotics are used in food animals. I think the perception of a lot of consumers, and maybe led by certain stories that appear in the media, is that antibiotics are only used to increase growth or improve growth potential of animals, and that's simply not true. Most of the antibiotics are used for treatment and control and prevention of disease, and very little is actually used strictly for growth promotion. We hope that by eliminating these uses that are on the labels for growth, it will improve the consumer confidence in the fact that antibiotics are being used appropriately only for the treatment of disease. So we think that this will go a long way in helping us be able to better explain to the public why antibiotics are used and the importance of their use in keeping animals healthy.